And these challenging things that we see happening in our eye, and they're common. But there are other problems that can happen. And believe me, I'm learning really hard just through my poor little dog. My dog was recently diagnosed with glaucoma. Now, thankfully for me, not. Thankfully for us humans, glaucoma is not something that comes on so rapidly like it does for these types of dogs. And that was the problem. His pressure in his eye surged to the point of extremeness that caused an ulcer, and therefore he lost his total vision within 24 hours. It was really very upsetting.